उत्तर प्रदेश में 1 लाख रोजगार देने की बात थी, 1 लाख नौकरी देने की बात थी। तो मुख्यमंत्री सुखविंदर सिंह सुक्खू जी मना कर गए कि हमने ऐसा कोई वादा नहीं किया। जो टीवी एंकर था तो उन्होंने उसी समय मोबाइल के ऊपर जो प्रियंका गांधी ने सोलन की रैली में कहा था कि हम पहली कैबिनेट में 63,000 पदों को भरेंगे, जो खाली पद हैं उनको भरने की नोटिफिकेशन करेंगे और 37,000 पद नए सृजित करेंगे। अर्थात 1 लाख पद हम पहली कैबिनेट में ही सृजित करेंगे। तो सुखविंदर सिंह सुक्खू जी के पास जवाब देने को नहीं बन रहा था।
Ask him to point out one paragraph in the manifesto which will lead to the conclusion that we're appeasing any section. We recognize that there is social divisions in this country, there is social inequality in this country, economic inequality in this country. The most affected people are the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes, the poor, irrespective of religion. That means poor Hindus, poor Muslims, poor Christians, poor Sikhs. And we are saying that we will bring justice to every section of the people. Bringing justice to every section of the people, if that is considered appeasement, so be it. We are bringing justice to every section of the people. See, the problem with the BJP is the Congress's manifesto is becoming a talking point throughout the length and breadth of this country. I've just come from 30 days in Tamil Nadu. The Congress's manifesto is the talking point even in the remote villages of Tamil Nadu. Whereas the BJP's manifesto vanished without a trace within 2 hours. Nobody talks about the BJP's manifesto because there is nothing in the BJP's manifesto. In fact, it is not even a manifesto. The title page calls it Modi Ki Guarantee. Now, Modi Ki Guarantee cannot be the manifesto of a political party. Therefore, he is envious, jealous of the Congress's manifesto, which is becoming a talking point, and he's tarnishing the Congress's manifesto. I would respectfully urge the Honorable Prime Minister to first read our manifesto.
So how do you see the electoral bond has been due to Congress has been seized? So how much effect would be in the elections?
It won't have any effect in the elections because the people will take care of the campaign. Yes, we are handicapped. This is not a level playing field. Look at the hoardings, advertisements, television advertisements by the BJP. No other party can match the BJP because BJP collected 8,500 crore rupees through the electoral bond. Our whatever contributions we got, they are in a bank account. We all been frozen. No bank is allowing us to operate at the bank account. We are on an uneven playing field. but the people will make up for that, and the people will support the Congress.
Sir, PM Modi is saying we will cross 400 in parliament. How do
How
you
many?
see the...
You first answer my question. How many seats is the BJP contesting? You tell me the number first. How many seats is the BJP contesting? It is contesting 25 seats in Tamil Nadu. It will lose all.
8.
It is contesting 20 seats in Kerala. It will lose all. Then if you're contesting and you're losing all 25 in Tamil Nadu, all 20 in Kerala, where will you get 400? Unless he's planning to contest in some other country.